Hello Ari lovers, I'm back with my Bali channel. On this video, I'm with Australian customer visiting Bali Bird Park. Bali Bird Park located at Batu Bulan village. It's around 1 hour drive from Kuta or 30-minute drive from Ubud center, but depending on traffic. So anyway, let's enjoy my video.
We breed about 6 different species besar di atas paruhnya yang menyerupai celah badai. First, so this bird have a small body but very energetic. Okay, thank you very much. Hornbill has a blue spots instead. So all right now. So the bald head and the posture of this bird are natural features in the wild. When water birds hunt along the coast, they can mistake plastic rabies for food.
That's my video for today, Ari lovers. So keep staying at my channel and thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. So see you with next video. Bye bye.